Namaskar.
About Surya Namaskar, there are so many confusion. It should be done in properly this way, that way. But there are research going on the Surya Namaskar, in which they are trying on sitting on the chair, standing and taking the support of chair for Surya Namaskar. Those who can't sit down, bend the knees, they can do with the support of chair.
In this particular video, we are trying to show the demonstration of Surya Namaskar which can be done by the office goers without removing any of your attire, your boots or tie, whatever you are wearing. You can continue doing this particular Surya Namaskar with the support of chair.
It's a combination of front bending and back stretching in rhythm with breathing. That is called Surya Namaskar. Let us see how we should go about it. So, with the hands in Namaskar Mudra, near the heart, near the soul, complete body is straight and tight, firm. With breath, raise your both the hands up. With breathe out from the lower back, bend the head with the hands on the chair back. Hasta Padasana. And then bring your left leg ahead for Ashwasanchalan and straight back. With the breath, come back, bringing leg back, going in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Go straight ahead in Ashtanga Namaskar, straightening your elbows, going in Bhujangasana. Then with exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. With inhale, bringing other leg ahead, right leg ahead, bending knee and stretching upper body back. Ashwasanchalan. Bringing the leg back, Hasta Padasana. Raising both the hands up, Uttanasana. And back to Namaskar Mudra, connecting with the soul. This way it is half cycle of Surya Namaskar, because half cycle gives effect on our half side of the body and also the brain. So we have to repeat same cycle with other side. So both the hands are joined in Namaskar Mudra. With breath, raise your both the hands up. With breathe out, bending ahead, Hasta Padasana. In this posture, your head is in between head is between both the hands. Then bringing the right leg ahead first and going in Ashwasanchalan. Experience the stretch from the head till the heel, ankle. Then going down. It's a combination of front bending and back stretching. Now it's head down, looking at the navel. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Go ahead in Ashtangasana. 8 body parts touching on the ground. That's what we call it. So chin touching to the chair back. Expansion of chest region. Going straight in Bhujangasana, which is good for lower back. Release stress and tightness from lumbar region. And then combination going down Adho Mukha Svanasana. After back straight, it is front bending posture. Bringing your left leg ahead and doing Ashwasanchalan. Experience stretch on the right side of your body. Leg back, Hasta Padasana. Head in between both the hands. And with breath, raise your both the hands up. With breathe out, coming in Namaskar Mudra. Your hand should be near the heart. You should experience the heartbeat on your with the hands.
The particular sequence, breathing in and breathing out, that is very essential. And how many times you should do the breathing? Whatever your body allows in the particular posture. The second FAQ on this particular thing is how many times we should do this particular repetition. Then it has to be done in even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 1008 and like that.
Start with first cycle, then you can increase one cycle every day and slowly build up the strength of your physical body and concentration and memory and focus.
This particular video is specifically for all those who are office goers and do not find time to do it Surya Namaskar at home, and they can do this with their complete whatever they are wearing. And keep watching our video channel for many such videos and enjoy yoga for good health.
Subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, even give any suggestions, we are open for that.
Namaskar. ही चेअर आपण खूप दूर ठेवायला पाहिजे असं माझं म्हणणं. ती डिस्ट्रॅक्ट करते.
नाही असू दे ना चेअर पण म्हणजे दिसते आहे चेअर दुसरी बंद तर कर पहिले.